Hi, by now you've probably heard about the One Big Beautiful Bill Act that recently passed. But how does this affect you? What benefits will you as a taxpayer or a recent retiree benefit from this act? The main point of the act was that it extended the provisions of the Tax and Jobs Act of 2017, but there's some things that were added to the act that will also help retirees. One worry that we've had over the past few years are, would tax rates increase? The good news is with the OBBBA Act, it maintained the tax rates, so they did not go up, so it allows additional planning for you. Another benefit for small business owners, whether you're a corporation or a sole proprietor or even a rental owner, is the qualified business income deduction. And this is where you get an up to 20% deduction on business profits. That also was set to expire, but thanks to the OBBBA Act, it's been passed indefinitely. Another change of the OBBBA Act was the estate exemption, and this is the amount that you could pass away with and have in assets before they would be taxed. Previously, that limit was $13.9 million per taxpayer, but that was increased to $15 million. So essentially, couples could pass away with $30 million in estate without having to pay estate tax. So with several changes in the OBBBA Act benefiting retirees and business owners, such as an increase in the standard deduction for taxpayers over age 65, there's a Social Security deduction that's it's intended to eliminate the tax on Social Security benefits. And with keeping that tax rate the same as in prior years, it allows retirees, business owners, pretty much anyone paying tax, to really look at what strategies are available to them, primarily with Roth conversions, which has definitely been popular in the past couple of years. So what do you do with all this information? Well, we're nearing the end of the year, so before December 31st, I encourage you to take a look at any income withdrawals that you may have made from retirement. Let's make sure those RMDs have been handled. Let's make sure that your estate plan is in order and it coincides with current tax law. And let's also align your charitable and gifting strategies by taking advantage of the qualified charitable distributions, which allows you to transfer to charity from your RMD and avoid paying tax. So if you're not sure of how all of these changes with the One Big Beautiful Act affects you, and you want to make sure that you're taking advantage of the strategies that are available, let's see how we can incorporate that into your 360-degree retirement plan. Let's talk before December 31st.